Alright guys, we have reached our destination, Harborfront Tower 2. And see that? Those are the lines for a cable car. Look at that. Look at them. Alright guys, Caleb is having American fried chicken and fries. Grabe, sarap ng roasted duck guys. So, siyang braised noodle with char siu, which is the roasted pork. Pero, oh, sorry. Here at Singapore cable car ticketing counter. So those are the prices if you'll be purchasing from here. However, we got ours from Klook, so it's kind of a bit cheaper guys if you'll book via Klook. Oh my lord, so nice. Look at that. This is first class.
From here, you can already spot resorts with Sentosa, Universal Studios Singapore's theme rides, and Adventure Cove water park with its many water slides.
Oh, look at that guys.
Lush forests still cover
bird's eye
giving you a chance to
from the cable car. Wow, look at that. This one is really going high.
Hey.
So cool. We're going to Sentosa. Look at the water. So clean. Huh? Really clean. It's good that they're able to maintain such cleanliness. Hmm?
Is that a real boat?
I think that's a cruise ship.
And Tanjung Beach is the perfect place to find a beachfront club.
Oh, it's nice there. Ano yan?
Resort. That's a resort. Wow. Alright guys, so we are above the water park of Sentosa.
We can get down at Sentosa.
That's harbor.
Can we get down at Sentosa?
We are getting off.
And then
This is the island now.
Ah.
and just are we gonna get?
Look at that guys. It's a water park.
Wait, we're gonna go down here?
Yeah, because we need to change the cable car, transfer to a different side. Going back.
Yeah, look out.
That's very near the Sentosa station. I'm not sure if that's part of it, going to the Merlion there.
We can do all these things, madam. This one.
SKYLINE Luge, guys. So we are here at Sentosa. So we're gonna check if Caleb could be able to drive the cart, Luge. I don't know what you call it. So we'll check it first. So this is the first try. They'll teach you how to ride the luge. Alright, here. Where? Here, in the middle. Stay in the middle. There. So they're teaching us how to drive this luge, guys. Parang mas mahirap pa sa big bike, ah. We're gonna have another run. So, and we are going up, guys. It's relatively high. It's high. It's high. Why, mommy? So, yung experience niya is you get to ride the luge and then you get to ride this cart. It's like cable car. So you get to ride this cable car as well, which is so was a very fun experience, guys. So this is the Siloso Beach. Ito yung pinaka bottom end riding yung loops. So may tacos and then may Thai. Alright, so we're going up now. We'll take the monorail going up there. Come on. Ito yung Sea Aquarium. So I'll show you guys how it looks like inside the cable car. So yan, may mga ventilation siya. So tinted yung glasses kasi syempre to protect from the UV lights. So pero may mga ventilation siya. Malamig sa loob, especially if it's windy. So yun, also mga butas siya, guys, on the sides. There. Okay. So there. So we're going back to Harbor Front and then to Mount Faber. So it's a very nice experience, guys, riding the cable car here in Singapore. So you're here, you really must try it. So we're going to Lau Pasat. So we're gonna take the bus. So here, guys, in Singapore, sobrang daming crows. Ayan, no? Very common mo sila makikita. So guys, touchdown, Lau Pasat. So Lau Pasat is located within the business district of Singapore. So I would say na ito yung medyo cozy na hawker center here in Singapore. So we're gonna check out some food and drinks and we'll let you know, guys. So time check, it's 3:28. So we're checking some food. We have Indian food here, Filipino cuisine. Wow! Huwag naman yan. Not here in Singapore. So Korean. You want that? No? Don't have to like dim sum. What the birds, oh? Turkish. Parang I feel like eating something like Thai food. This is the very famous satay street at Lau Pasat. So this hawker center is really right in the middle of the business district, guys. As you would see. Huh? Oh, there you go. See?
I wanna take a picture of the bunny.
There, mommy. Oh, di ba we tried this? The coffee jam?
Yes.
Tried it at Vivo City. Is it Vivo City, right? Yeah. Lots of shrimps, guys. Those are tiger shrimps. Lots of them. They're cooking it. Those are barbecues. Alright, guys. Caleb is having American fried chicken and fries.
OMG!
He's very tired today, so this is his treat. Like a dog! You have a treat! So this is where we'll be ordering Ming He roasted. So I'll be getting a roasted duck for sure. And then Sumami, he wants stir-fried noodles. Thank you. That's what we're having, guys, here at Lau Pasat. So total of ours, it's around, I think, how much did I pay for this? $12.30 for both. This one and that one. And for Caleb, I think that's $7.50, something like that. Yeah. Plus the rice, it's $1.50, and then the Coke, $5. So $5.17. So around $20 for everything, guys. So it's not bad, diba? Not bad na rin. Huh? So 800, 850 in Philippine peso for everything. Huh? So not bad. Alright, we're gonna eat na muna, guys.